What's up, everybody? Didn't see you there. That was stupid. Yo, what's happening, people? Not even in frame, don't even care. So, I guess just doing this is a rough draft, I guess. I have no idea what I'm doing, but I hope it works for me. Who knows, you know, this is cringy. Fuck it, I guess. So, my name's Josh. Oh my gosh, it's Josh over here and killing it. I'm a nerd, love anime, you know, old school anime though mostly, but some of the new stuff is pretty good. You know, I mess with SAO and you know, the Tower of God. That's actually Crunchyroll. You got something there, bud. You know, I like to play video games. Dabbling in finance right now, and I think that's where I kind of want this whole thing to go, but I don't really know right now. I'm just out there thinking, you know, we're in quarantine. Always kind of wanted to do this crazy stuff, you know, YouTube, you know. Sick and tired of seeing all these teeny boppers and old people out there, you know, doing it, killing it. And, you know, I'm just a millennial over here, 31, and, you know, and I think we can do better. That's just my opinion, but we'll see what happens. But just a little bit about myself, I guess. Furthermore, if I may. Michigan, born and raised in Michigan. Really had not, you know, went to a couple crazy places in my life, but that's neither here nor there. Actually was there, I guess, but this whole rant doesn't even make any sense now, and I'm probably gonna cut out. And I guess to follow all that up and everything, I'll probably splint it together to make it look nice and everything, hopefully. You can cross my fingers. But to elaborate on the whole finance thing is, you know, there's just way too many of us millennials out there that are, you know, paycheck to paycheck. Not just all millennials, though. There are some millennials that are freaking killing it in the stock market. And that's, I think, where I want to go right now. And I've been dabbling so far. You know, I got a small portfolio. Not too bad. Been putting, you know, $100, $200 a paycheck in there. Got it up almost 40% on that. So, you know, gotta thank the Corona for that, I guess, you know, but that sucks though, the whole situation. So maybe not thank that. Thank God. God's plan, whatever. You know, are you gonna hate this video or dislike it? Who knows? You know, maybe we get more dislikes than likes. First video, not too shabby. I'm probably going to have something completely different on my next video and whatnot, but I kind of just wanted to put everything out there, see, you know, if even anyone likes this kind of thing, or, you know, see if anyone even cares. I was just thinking today and everything, and, you know, my channel name, aDudemanbro. I've, you know, even when I was, you know, younger, always when oh man, he's a dude man bro, and bam, you know, bam and hair and everything. It's just stuck, and I have my, you know, my gamer tags and my YouTube channel. Everything's aDudemanbro. I even have a Gmail account and everything, aDudemanbro. So, I mean, feel free to send me shit. Who knows? You know, a couple Viagra things. Who knows? Fuck it. You know, please don't do that. That's rude. But I have enough spam. But that's my spam email, though. But maybe I should change that. Who knows? But without any more rambling, I am just trying to get all this out here because it's, you know, it's all thinking right now, just spitballing. I had a really dear friend of mine, and this is the part where it gets all emotional, and you're like, yeah, I'm done. I'm going to click off and screw the YouTube. But, you know, if you just want to listen, you know, this might have happened to one of you guys, one of you millennials out there who are, you know, going through a rough time. I had a dear buddy of mine about a year ago pass from, in his sleep from heart complications. And, you know, me and him used to shoot the shit all the time, you know. Used to be, dude, man, bro, we need to do something. We got to better our lives and, you know, make something out of ourselves, you know. He just kept on saying, make something. And, you know, he was doing it. He, his name's Dave. He went to New York. You know, he was doing stand-up. He was hilarious. 10 times funnier than me, which you're probably thinking, oh, this kid's not even funny. But don't care. Long hair, don't care. I guess it's like half. I actually did a quarantine cut, so that's why it's looking all scraggly, and, you know, plus I'm old. So, but yeah, he went to New York and started doing stand-up, you know, was on podcast, killing it, and just like that, you know, his life taken, and it just got me to think, you know, what better time, you know, I have a little bit more free time right now with this whole situation going on. Thank God I'm able to work from home. Thank for my job, you know, I'm very thankful, you know. So I mean, I was just thinking, you know, screw it, we're gonna do it, we're gonna try it out here, you know. And so here we are, and so I think I might try to do some Let's Play or something like that if you want to see how, I mean, I'm not even that good at video games, really. I mean, just, I guess my commentary sometimes is mediocre at best. So, we can try doing that and stuff, and then, I mean, I'm probably going to have a couple videos about my stock, you know, portfolio, and, you know, I want to get into the dividends, and, you know, just around that and everything is, I've only really been doing it since January 4th. I started to actually start investing. You know, actually, funny enough, video games though, it all started with like RuneScape and old video games, you know, Craigslist and all that kind of thing. And I was always really good at flipping things, knowing a price, knowing the indicators and what's hot. Brings back to the video game RuneScape. You know, I was a flipper. I used to flip party hats and stuff. Back to the old 7 scapers out there and everything. And I got good at it. I got really good at it. Where, you know, when I was 21, 22, you know, I was selling RuneScape gold. Don't tell JetX, you know, they'll probably kill me. But yeah, I just cranberry and vodka here right now, you know, adult beverage, you know, and drink responsibly and game irresponsibly. That should be my motto, my motherfucking motto. So yeah, I got involved in that, and it's just, I always had this thing, and it probably was my dad that first lit a fire under my ass about that. And he always, you know, used to take 10 cents to make it $1. You know, he was really good at that kind of thing. And it just got me thinking, you know, if you can take something that someone doesn't value that much and someone else definitely values it even more, you know, flip it. And that might be what this channel turns into too. I don't know. Maybe some garage selling, you know, G-selling. It used to be in the garage selling. They're not as good anymore. You know, a lot of people, it's these smartphones and everything. It's so much easier to check a price online. You can't get that many good deals anymore. I'm not gonna say you can't never get good deals, because you'll catch someone slipping every once in a while. But the chances are nowadays for you to go in and, you know, get a final fight, a game or whatever for $2, $3. It's almost impossible now. You know, actually funny enough, that was my last really good score before I stopped. Final fight, and you know, it was awesome. Mighty Final Fight, sorry, I messed that up completely, the name, you on camera, nervous, you know, I got my audience behind me and everybody, there's nobody back there, by the way, just to let everyone know. So, I mean, I got it, went to a garage sale, and the guy had Saturn, N64, Gen 2, Sega Genesis and everything, and basically it was all eBay prices, maybe a little bit cheaper than eBay prices, maybe like 10% cheaper. But I was like, oh man, there's no way maybe I'll find him slipping somewhere. But the key to a lot of garage selling, by the way, just a little side tip, always ask if they have anything else inside. You know, never seem too eager, or like, you know, I asked him if he had anything else, and he's not really, because if someone says, no, I'm trying to keep that stuff, it's a good chance, 60% of the time, it works every time. If you just get them to get it out, they see that money, you pull that money out, you show it to them, and they will take it almost 100% of the time. So, I mean, that's just some knowledge I learned a couple of years of doing it. I've got some really good stuff from garage sailing. Just sad that there's that, that's not anymore. But it's like life. You have to enjoy the roller coaster. The ups are awesome and the downs are down. But you gotta enjoy the ups. So. And that's what this channel I think is going to be all about too. I'm going to try to bring some energy a little bit, as it's like a little bit monotone though, but I'm going to try to bring some energy, because it's a dude, man, bro, I'm a dude, I'm a man, and I'm a bro. I'm out here killing it, I guess. Not on the streets, not doing drugs. So, I mean, drinking though, I guess that's a drug, but for some people, some people are like, oh, drugs, bad. Whatever, it's 2020. Fuck it. Hopefully me dropping too many F-bombs not gonna, maybe I should stop that a little bit, because I kind of want a lot more, audience than just, nah, fuck it, we'll just keep it you guys, whatever. But, so, I rambled on like 3 different things going on, but so, let's roll it back here real quick. My good friend David passed, and I was just thinking, I was actually out, funny story actually, I was just out taking a walk real quick, and I had on my headphones, and Bon Jovi came on, but Living on a Prayer. Yep. You guys know. But me and him seeing the best karaoke, we could have swore this guy was Bon Jovi himself. The whole band themselves, like he killed it at this small ass bar in Canton, Michigan. He sounded just like it. Me and him were like, whoa, what the hell? This guy needs to get this guy a record deal. I wonder if that's just a little bit of a side note. Do you think record deals are gonna change? Because we don't use record deals. No CD, MP3 deals, audio deals. That might be a new term to use. You never know. But, so I heard that song on my YouTube just randomly. I was like joking with my friend. He asked if I was dead or alive, and I sent him a text back right away, wanted. I thought it was hilarious, but he actually did too. But he kept on repeating the song, and I'm like, God dang it, I don't know that much of, Wanted actually was the one we were going back and forth with, but then they got me on Living on a Prayer, and that's where this whole story is coming from. But it was raining a little bit out there, and I was just thinking to myself, what a wonderful world. No, that's not that was what I was thinking. But life is short. Life is really, really short. And if I don't get up, get in, sit down, and try to take life, lift up the skirt, grab your balls, and get to work. That makes no sense, but hey, that's what I'm here for. This the nonsense sometimes. So to reach as many people as I can, I guess. I was about to say touch, but that would have sounded weird. But so I'm just out here, trying to see if anyone even cares. And yeah, I'm not trying to make $1 million off of this and anything. I'm just seeing if I can do it. I give people some, encouragement, and, on my journey so far, everything I've known, everything I've learned, I just want to share with everybody. And if that can reach one person, touch one person, whatever, and they can learn something from it, I'm going to be super freaking happy, because so long, farewell. This is aDudemanbro, and I am saying bye.